A philosophical perspective is a framework of core beliefs and attitudes that shapes how an individual or group understand and interpret the world, their place in it, and their interaction with others and reality itself. The key aspects of a philosophical perspective: worldview. It defines the nature of reality, knowledge, ethics, and individual relationship to the world and its component. Beliefs and values. Philosophical perspectives are built on a set of deeply held values, beliefs, and experiences that provide a basis for understanding, influences thought and action. It impacts how people interpret and will decide on courses of an action and evaluate different options.